But I took this $5,000 credit card and I turned it into $1.1 million within the first 13 months of starting my business. What's up, guys? My name is Hannah Gardner and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I talk about mostly e-commerce and building brands online, but also a lot of entrepreneurship stuff as well. Building this YouTube channel has been a huge struggle for me because while I'm doing this channel, I'm also running my main brand, and I do share a lot of that back on this channel. But to be honest, guys, when you're running an online store and trying to grow a brand, and you're doing a lot of strategic thinking from Google ads to Facebook ads to marketing strategies to inventory to, R&D, it's really, really hard to come back here at the end of the day and take my creative mind and, make YouTube videos. I've always wanted to be super transparent on this channel about who I am and what I represent. And lately I've had a lot of imposter syndrome with this channel because I'm always preaching that you should really follow your passion, be your own boss if you choose so to be, do things that align with who you are or who you want to be or the things that you want to achieve. And while I love my brand and I love building brands, one thing that I am more passionate about is this channel. But unfortunately, I just have not had the time to put all the love that it really requires to grow into something great. So recently I made the really, really difficult decision to end one of my main brands. End meaning to continue to grow it. So I can really utilize that brand that I have grown from starting with a $5,000 credit card into an over 7-figure business. And I can use that brand to really showcase what I've done on this channel and share back with you every single thing that I have done. And so this was a really personal and difficult decision that I made just a few days ago, finally. And I'm really also excited about because I'm really looking forward to growing this channel, building an audience filled with people who aspire to be their own boss or live differently or do something out of the realm of a normal 9-to-5. If you have never seen any of my videos before and this is the first time meeting me, it's very nice to meet you. I basically dove into the world of entrepreneurship straight out of college, 21, 22 years old, and failed many times trying to build a business. Finally found success with starting an e-commerce brand. And I started this brand in my grandma's spare bedroom. I had a $5,000 credit card that I lied about my income to get, which I do not recommend you do. I'm not saying do that at all. But that $5,000 credit limit did allow me to start my first business. I was, my closet was in the trunk of my car at the time. My nice grandma gave me her spare bedroom to have an office, and I slept on her couch. And I did that for about almost a year before I could afford to put a down payment on a small 2-bedroom condo and move out, basically. But I took this $5,000 credit card and I turned it into $1.1 million within the first 13 months of starting my business with this e-commerce brand. So as you see in my channel, most of the things that I'm showing you are coming straight from my store, straight from my analytics, straight from me learning how to do all these things in real time. So I'm happy and excited to be more dedicated to my channel, more dedicated than I've ever been before, so I can really share with you this journey that I'm on into the world of entrepreneurship, because there is a lot of ups and downs. And if you're like me, 80% of the battle is just you being your own worst enemy. So trying to keep it as authentic and real as possible, as I share back with you every single thing that I learn along the way. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys inside my channel.